We'll guide you through how to implement Vercel Web Analytics, making it easy to track your website's performance. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard where you can see all your deployed projects. Choose the project you want to add analytics to. Click on the project, and you'll find a tab labeled Analytics on the left-hand side of the page. Click on it. You'll see an option to Enable Analytics. Click that button to activate the feature for your project. Vercel Web Analytics is lightweight and privacy-focused, so you don't have to worry about cookie banners or GDPR compliance issues. After enabling it, the analytics will automatically start tracking visitors, page views, and other essential metrics in real time. You can view these metrics right from your Vercel dashboard. Now, if you want to customize the analytics, you can do so by using the Vercel configuration file. Open your project in your code editor and locate the vercel.json file. If it doesn't exist, create one in the root directory. Add your desired settings under the analytics property, like specifying which pages to exclude from tracking or other advanced options. Save the changes and deploy your project again to ensure the new settings are applied. Remember, you don't need to insert any tracking scripts into your pages, as Vercel takes care of that for you. This integration gives you a seamless experience with minimal effort. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.